Right. Look, my dear student. Now we are looking today class 10 magnetic effects video 3. What is our concept today? That is important. Look here. Magnetic field produced due to circular loop. Magnetic field produced due to circular field. How it is and which kinds of characteristics can shown by it. Very clearly we can look here. Upon a table, make two holes and make these kinds of arrangements in the table. Now then take one cardboard, upon the cardboard make two holes and keep wire like this, which is appearing here, and connect one battery also, plus minus. Connect one battery and switch also. When you are switching on, look here, I am reading for you. Magnetic field produced around circular loop. Magnetic field produced around circular loop. Look here, what is circular loop? This white color line is called circular loop. White color current line is called circular loop. Magnetic field produced, where it is? Here, look. Circles wise we are looking. Circles wise we are looking now. That circles lines are nothing but magnetic lines. Here very clearly, magnetic field produced around circular loop, centric circle, become bigger. At center, magnetic lines are parallel. That is magnetic lines. Look here at center. At center, magnetic lines are parallel. That is cancel each other. Here, magnetic, look here, two sides current wire is there. Around the current conductor, when current is passing in this wire, then look here, when passing like this, for example, left side direction to right side direction, when passing, then these circles are called magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines. When current is going from left side to right side, then magnetic field, look here, how they are created. Magnetic field lines are going from south to north. From south to north. When it is south, when it is south pole, then it is north pole. Am I right? So when current is passing from down to up, I mean south to north pole, then magnetic field is revolving around of it from south to north. South to north. Look here. When current is passing from south to north only, then this magnetic field, how it is, look here. It is like this it was going, then like this it will go. From north to south. From north to south, lines are passing. Look here how they are passing. So these lines are exactly parallel to these lines. Here, when you are putting one cardboard or any one object, when you are putting between of two lines of current, then around of current conductor, right side, I mean left side conductor magnetic field is parallel to right side conductor magnetic field. That's why one word told here, look here, cancel each other because they are parallel. And characteristics, what is the characteristics given? Look here, first of all, symbols are very important. When you are feeling this is south, this is north, left side is south, right side is north, then when current is passing from south side to north side, left side to right side, then magnetic field lines in circular path I told you. Concentric path I told you. But how? Look here. South side to north side. South side to north side. Currently, magnetic field lines are circulating. Magnetic field lines are circulating in south to north side. Here, when current is coming from up to down, that is in clockwise direction, not anti-clockwise, clockwise direction, then this is happen. This also we look here. Created magnetic field lines are exactly opposite to these field lines. Left side magnetic field lines are exactly opposite to right side magnetic field lines. Here down to up current is going. Here up to down current is coming. Yes. So magnetic field lines also be created. Down to up, south to north, up to down, north to south. Very clear. First point, what is that? Lines of magnet is circular. Lines of magnet is circular. At current enters or leaves. This is current enters. This is current leaves. At both the places, magnetic field lines are circular. Magnetic field lines are circular. Next. Within the space enclosed by coil, the lines are in the same direction. Look here, within the space enclosed by coil, the lines are in the same direction. Where enclosed by space, then the lines directions are same. All lines directions are same. Next one is given near the center of the coil. Near the center of the coil. Where is that center of the coil? Middle line. Near the center of the coil, the magnetic field lines are almost parallel to each other. Here. Almost parallel to each other at the center of the coil. Parallel to each other. Next. At the center of the coil, the plane of magnetic field, at the center of the coil, plane of magnetic field lines are at right angles to the plane. Very clearly at the center. This is the area, for example. This is the area. Then lines look exactly 90 degrees are maintaining. Right angle there. Magnetic field lines are maintaining exactly right angle. Exactly right angle to the plane at the center. At the center. At the center of the coil, the plane of magnetic field lines are at right angles to the plane of the circular coil. Next, magnetic field produced is directly proportional to current. Magnetic field lines are magnetic field is directly proportional to current. If you give more current, magnetic field also more. Look here, magnetic field produced directly proportional to current and inversely proportional to, what is that? Inversely proportional to distance from the conductor. Yes, it is conductor. When you are going far from here, then magnetic field is decreasing. When you are near, then magnetic field is increasing. Next, the part from where the magnetic lines entering the coil facing us, that is considered as south pole. For example, this is the part from the where the magnetic field lines are entering coil facing us. Entering coil is facing us. This is one side, like this one wire is entering. When one wire is entering, look here, for example, wire is entering. Are you looking now? Wire is entering. That is called facing us. He told already one word. Where the magnetic lines entering the coil facing us, that is considered as south pole, other is north pole. Current flows clockwise direction. That is south pole here. When current flows anti-clockwise, then north pole is here. When current flows clockwise direction, this is called south pole. When current flows anti-clockwise direction, this is called north. Current going from right to left, you called right to south direction. When current come from left to right, then right is called north. Automatic. So I want to tell you about it. Look here. Magnetic field produced due to solenoid. Solenoid is nothing but take a small hollow tube or plastic pipe. Small plastic pipe you can take. Around the plastic pipe you just circulate copper wire. After circulating copper wire, give a battery connection to it. That after just switch on the battery. When you switch on the battery, current is passing into that circular copper wire around the plastic pipe. Then what should happen? Look here. This is our plastic pipe. Around the pipe we circulated with the copper wire. When we are switching on, automatically current passing in that. When current passing, then look here how the magnetic field lines are created. So this is called north. Why? Because north field lines can originate from north and enters in south. Now the magnetic field lines leaves from north, enters into south. So I told you here, when solenoid connected with the copper wire and copper wire connected with a battery, when battery switching on automatically, current passing into that wire. When current passing into that wire, magnetic field lines can originate from north and going to enter into the south. Like this only happen. So look here, solenoid. What is that? Solenoid is a long coil containing a large number of turns of copper wire, more turns. It connected to battery and produces connected to battery and produces magnetic field. When current is moving, then magnetic field can produce around the current wire. So similar to magnetic field produced around bar magnet. That the solenoid is working like a bar magnet. When you are thinking about bar magnet, in bar magnet we can see from north pole, magnetic field lines can originate and enters into south pole. Like that only happening here. From north side, from one side of solenoid, magnetic field lines are originating and entering into another side. Entering side we can call south and originating side we can call north. That after right, look here students very clearly. Here, first of all, strength of magnetic field can be changed by, that is in solenoid practical. How it will change? Look at strength of magnetic field. Strength of magnetic field can be changed by how? Look here. First point, increasing the amount of current. If current more, strength of solenoid magnetic field also be more. I mean, magnetic field strength becomes more when current becomes more. Next point, increasing number of turns. Increasing number of turns. When number of turns of copper wire can increase in solenoid practical, automatically magnetic field can increase. Third point, decreasing gap between turns. Turns are there, but the gap, this is too much gap. This is very less gap. If gap is decreased, then magnetic field strength can increase. If gap is more, strength can decrease. Next, nature of material used in making solenoid. Which material used in making solenoid? Plastic pipe used, iron pipe used, or cardboard pipe used, or paper folded as a solenoid, like that. Material used for making solenoid. Due to material, magnetic field can increase or decrease. Electromagnet. For example, iron pipe used for solenoid purpose, magnetic field is more. Paper folded as pipe, then magnetic field is less. Right. Look here. Electromagnet. What is electromagnet? Electromagnet. What is electromagnet? Many times we listen to that, but we not clarified. Look here, very clearly, I am reading for you. Is a substance, not a magnet substance, normal substance. Electromagnet is a substance which start behaving as magnet, One substance when starts behaving as a magnet, when, that also be given there. Look here. When current is passed through it. When current is passing through a substance, then that substance should work like a magnet. That type of substances are called electromagnet. And another point, what is that? But as the current is switched off, magnet is lost. And it consists of a long coil of current wire, Cu wire wounded, on soft iron core. Look here. That one. When switched off, I told you, take one substance. When current passing through it, it should work like a magnet. When current off, then it should lost. It should lost or it should lose its magnetic character. Switched off, magnet is lost. It consists of a long coil of copper wire wounded on soft iron core. Look there, soft iron. We take an nail and copper wire is rounded on it. Copper wire is insulated wire, my dear. Insulated means it is not give shock when you are catching with your hand. Insulated wire. And factors affecting strength of electromagnet. What is that? Strength of electromagnet. Factors affecting strength of electromagnet. Strength of electromagnet. Which factors are affecting upon them? Affecting upon electromagnet. Look here. number of turns in coil, very important. If number of turns are less, we can't do it there. It will affect us. Number of turns should be more. It will increase the electromagnetic character. And current flowing in coil, flowing current is more or less. More, then more electromagnetic power we will get. If less electromagnetic character we will get. And length of gap between poles. Length of gap between poles. What is the gap is there? Between poles. For example, think here this is south pole, this is north pole. What is the length of gap? Length of gap also be. If length of gap is less, magnetic character is more. Length of gap is more, magnetic character will less. Next. Steel is not using for making electromagnet. Steel should not use. Why? As it does not loses its magnetism even if current is switched off. That is, form permanent magnet. Steel already having magnetism in it. When current is there or not there, I am not telling about current. Steel works like a magnet. So, steel is not using like electromagnet because steel is already a magnet. Next. Kicking wire experiment. Kicking wire. We are not kicking. Look who is kicking. Kicking wire experiment. Take first of all one U-shaped magnet. Under, look here. After the downside, you take one mercury bowl, one bowl. In that bowl, you keep some mercury. Already you know, I think mercury is a good conductor. When you are taking mercury and cut the one wire, which is wire is there, na? One wire connected like this. Here you take a free joined wire. You are supposed to take care. Freely should hang. One wire should hang freely. That type of instrument you take here. Free joined space is here. Freely joined space means we can hang it like when oscillators are done by, or one stone is there now, when the stone is making oscillates, like that freely hanging gap. Wire, that is wire connected, but a freely hanging wire connected. And through that wire, we are giving current. We are passing current through this wire only. But when wire is cut off, make here cut off the wire two pieces. One piece is connected to negative, one piece is connected to positive. But that two pieces of wire keep in magnetic bowl. Sorry, mercury bowl. The two pieces of wire keep in mercury bowl. And when you are switching on, look here. First of all, this wire is middle of the both poles. When power is coming, when current is passing through that wire, then due to forces, that wire is kicked, and freely it will go out. Wire going outside. Then current stops. Current pass can stop here. When current is passing, then this pole's force, magnetic pole's force is kicking to that wire. Why kicking? Because that electric current when passing through the electric wire, then the passing current is creating magnetic field around of the wire. That created magnetic field is opposed with magnetic poles. Then that wire can go away from the mercury bowl. When that wire can go away from the mercury bowl, automatically connection will cut off. When connection not there, the current will not pass. Again, that free cut wire slowly comes again. Mean power not there, current not there in that wire. That's why it will coming again. It is coming again and joining in mercury bowl. Mixing with mercury again. When it is mixing with mercury, again current will connected. Current wire both will connect and current can pass through it. When current can pass through it, again same. That wire is kicked out with the help of magnetic poles. When current entering into the wire, then wire is kicked out with the magnetic poles. That experiment is called kicking wire experiment. Not only I written here by figure. When current flows, then it placed between poles of magnet. That wire is placed between poles of magnet and acts on it. And wire displaced from its original place. So circuit breaks and so no force on it. Then it returns in its original place. And again poles force acts on it. That free wire and displace again. So here, when that wire can connect with mercury, it will kick it out. When it is out of the bowl, it is free wire. Again, it will come to join with the mercury. Right? Thank you.